Hi guys, in today's video we have a Mitsubishi ASX. This is the 2016 model and I'll quickly show you how to enter the cruise mode. So to enter cruise control, you need to press on this symbol on your right hand side with the cruise symbol. When you press that, you can see the slide that is turned on. So now you have just entered the cruise mode. So now you need to set the speed. To set the speed, on the right side there's this button, set minus. You just need to press it down and the speed will be set. So I was driving at around 84 and it set the cruise control at 84. I'm not pressing on the accelerator and it's just under cruise. Unfortunately on this vehicle there is no second indicator that confirms that you're under cruise mode or not. Now to disable cruise control, you can just press on cancel, this button over here, or even if you just tap on the brake, it will cancel cruise control. Now I'll reset cruise control by setting minus. If I want to increase the speed, I can press it up with the reset, and let's say I press on the brake, so I'm out of cruise control, and I can press up or reset and it will go to the last speed which was set. And I can perform a overtake, so it's right now in cruise. Let's say I want to overtake someone, I'll just press on the accelerator, and if I leave the accelerator, it'll come back to the last set speed. So yeah, one good thing about this car is that if you switch it off and switch it back on, it will always be in the cruise mode if that was your last setting. And yeah, I'll just do a quick recap. So when you're not in cruise mode, just press this button so you're in cruise mode and press set minus and the speed is set. That's the simplest explanation. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.